I normally don't do wet shaves, but I'm gonna shave top of my lip and just clean up the parts of my face up here. So I'm using a mixing bowl. I'm using a color mixing bowl for all of our shaving aficionados. I don't want you to be too upset with me. Too upset about not doing this the right way. That smells really good though. Must admit. I just want this to be a little bit sooty. I don't need very much, but I do want to make sure that it lathers, or that I make it lather. There we go. Here you go, YouTube. That looked lathery. That looked, hopefully the shaving aficionados approve of my barber lather, because I usually do mostly dry, but I know a decent amount about shaving. So, we got that. Let me go grab my razor. Give me a towel. My girlfriend says she likes this top of my beard shape or my mustache, so I'll do it. My razor, we just opened up. Excited about this. And I'm gonna start up here. I guess I could take my headphones off. What is that? Dude, let's see. So my goal is not to take many hairs. Probably why we don't hear anything yet. I'm gonna clean that off a little. And I don't want to just take that down to that line. I can feel about where the blade stops now. I normally use an open straight razor so I can see exactly where it is. If that makes sense. Like I can only see where it is, but with this we got a little bit more of a everything's covered. Like I can't see it as well. But when you feel where it stops, then it helps a lot. So Feels pretty safe though. I have to move my nose. Make sure I could get up there without cutting myself. And I'm just using the corner of the blade like really gently to do that part. Maybe we can get those little hairs like way at the top. Oh, there we go. We got him. So I use one of my really big towels. That's funny. I made it a little bit thinner than I wanted, but I usually don't do that with a safety razor. I usually only use a straight razor, so that'll grow back the top of it. Now that I can see, let me see if I can get these off. That little hair. Overall, not so bad. This is a pretty like difficult area to do with a safety razor, but obviously it can be done. I'm not super familiar with it, but the blade itself felt really good. Like if I was shaving this off, I feel like that would have been pretty smooth sailing, especially with that lather. And I really like how it smells. So let's see if we can do some detail work and get the rest of this off here. That was pretty easy. Cool.